You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha Taylore. When I look like this, it's a wash day. Yeah, it's a wash day. Now, time for another battle. I've been killing these battles, y'all. I'll probably make a playlist just for battles at this point because I do have product review playlists, but these battles, I'm killing it. Today is another Doux battle, the Doux battle. I have the new honey dipped butter gel, the new bananas Xtreme gel. Okay, so obviously those two are new. I haven't tried those two. I also have not tried Big Poppa, so this will be interesting for me to finally try it and see what this is about. I have tried B-Girl before, but I haven't used it in quite some time, and y'all sold this ish out. I couldn't find this anywhere. So for this back section, because I feel like I might not like this too much, the back section is gonna be the honey dipped honey butter gel because it says it's a soft hold creamy gel. It says a medium hold. Wait, how you say soft hold in the front but medium hold in the back? All right, let's see if she's gonna be the front or the back. Off rip, love that it's a pump. Okay. We knew it was gonna be soft and buttery, and that's exactly what it's giving. Like, they described that thing to a T. All right, it's giving cream and gel. The smell is a perfumed honey. That makes sense. It's sweet, but like has a perfumed element to it. Application wise, she's smooth. Okay, it's literally as if I combined a cream and a botanical gel together. It's defining the hair as it needs to, but I can tell it won't be heavy. It's not weighing down my curls in the way that I typically like for them to be. Y'all, let me know in the comments below if when you do your wash and goes, are you guys a shingling person? Do you guys do the smoothing method? You just plop that thing on? Like, let me know. I just want to say I absolutely love the application of this. I love that it's in a push bottle. In this sense, I'm not sitting here grabbing the gel. I love this one so far. Of course, we're gonna see the hold. We're gonna see. All right, next section is going to be Big Poppa. It smells like a perfumed Mr. Clean. The lemon scent is what it smells like. All right, texture. Oh, she's lighter than I thought. She's actually not that thick. As if Eco Styler and Rose gel, botanical gel had a baby. It's like in the middle of that texture. With the name Big Poppa, I thought it was gonna be a little thick. Is Big Poppa thick or no? Application is fine. She's cute. I don't have any complaints here. It's not as smooth as Honey Dip, but you know, it's defining the curls. It's doing what it needs to do. All right, no complaints. Obviously, I just hate that it's a scoop, but it is thicker. So this section will be bananas. Then it's bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. You know. Xtreme gel, super shine and holding gel. This one says Xtreme hold, child. So we have medium, unknown, extreme. So it says soaking wet hair. Little porosity problems. It's just sitting on top, but you know it's okay. We're gonna penetrate that thing and make sure my hair is soaking wet. All right, now this one got a little hard thing. She's runny. Whoa, I wasn't expecting this texture for it to be. Ooh, yep, it smells like a perfumed banana. It honestly kind of smells. This is the strongest out of them all. Scent wise, wow. The consistency is thinner than Big Poppa. All right, last section is the viral B-Girl. I always say this thing wrong. B-Curl Supercharged Honey Curl Custard. All the other ones say they're a gel. This one is a custard. However, this thing got some hold. It is the loosest of them all. This is a custard. It's not a gel. You know what? This one has the lightest scent too. I thought it would have been. I haven't used this one in a while, but I thought it would have been as strong as the B-Girl Mousse. So this application It's smooth, but it's not the smoothest out of all of them. The Honey Dip Honey Butter Gel is my favorite application wise. This is what the hair looks like wet. This is the B-Girl. This is Bananas. This is Big Poppa. And this is Honey Dip. Hopefully, yeah, Honey Dip. One thing the Doux gonna have is some shine. This thing is blinding. All right, I want to need the dryer. If you've ever had an Afro G two-step treatment and you feel that like tightening on your head, that helmet, that's what these two feel like. Initial dots it is a softer hold from the rest, but she still have a little hold, like she's holding on there. Now, Big Poppa has some hold as well, an 8.5. The roots aren't slapped to my head either, but the ends got some hold. Bananas Xtreme Gel is a 10. She's a 10, she got some hold. It's definitely crunchy, for sure. If this is a 10, B-Girl got an 11. This was actually more stuck to my head than this one. All right, y'all, time to wrap up this video, okay? I have worn my hair for 4 days, and I had my thoughts since like day 2, to be completely honest with you. So, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. But this is when I insert my lovely chart that helps me kind of go down and decide which is the winner. So, starting off with price. I mean, the Doux products are all fairly in the same range, give or take. I got B-Girl at JCPenney. All the other ones were at Target. So I don't know if this makes a difference, but B-Girl at JCPenney was $12.59 for a 16 ounce. So in terms of the price to the amount, B-Girl did win for the price category. Now for moisture, child. To be completely fair, I did this wash day when it was cooler here in Georgia, and then it progressed to 75-degree weather today, which is ridiculous. So I kind of got to try this gel in two different things, I guess. The honey, which is back here, ain't no moisture in this thing. Initially, when I put this product on, I thought it would have all the moisture in the world. It felt so hydrating. It felt good. This thing is dry. This is probably the driest of them all. Big Poppa is also dry. Let's actually... You can hear how dry it is. Bananas, weirdly enough, it's not dry like the others. It's dry, but it's not like... It's giving gel, but it's not super dry. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it works and it's fine. So that's why I get that meh like emoji face. And then B-Girl is the same. It's meh. It's not super dry like the other two. It's not as dry as Honey Dip or Big Poppa. But out of the two, B-Girl and Bananas Xtreme, B-Girl is not as moisturizing as this one. So the winner of this moisture category, even though all of them are dry, the Bananas Xtreme is the most hydrating. And I'm gonna put that in quotations because it's not that hydrating. Out of shine, I don't know if you can tell, these two look the same on camera, but in person, the winner in this category is definitely the Bananas. It's a lot more shiny. And I thought the B-Girl would have been shiny because when I've used this before, this thing gives me so much shine, but it's not giving that right now. Hold. Same thing. The Honey Dip and the Big Poppa isn't giving me much hold. I was actually shocked at Big Poppa just because other videos that I've seen, people really love the hold that Big Poppa gives, but it wasn't giving it for me. And I'll explain why in a minute because y'all know I looked at ingredients. Just give me a second. B-Girl, I thought also would have been more hold, but you can kind of see I have a little bit of frizz. Like, she's cute, she's okay, but since I'm comparing the two, the Xtreme one has a lot more hold. When you feel it, they almost feel the same, but then like it's not. They're different. They're slightly different. In this category of hold, B-Girl was cute, but Bananas wins again. The last category is definition. Honey Dip, she gone. Big Poppa was like, She started off strong. When I was asking Bay, I think on day 2, which section he liked more, he liked the ends, the definition of Big Poppa at first. Big Poppa is not going to be the gel that slaps your roots down. My roots were not super defined at all. the bananas, she wins for this category because B-girl definition, she's cute, but it's just not there. If you have the B-girl custard already on hand, then you don't need the bananas. Like, they're neck and neck, and honestly very similar, where you don't need both in your collection. Overall, out of my chart, the banana extreme gel wins for just the performance aspect, right? So I looked into the ingredients of all of them just to decide, okay, should I hold on to honey dip for the summer or Big Poppa for the summer or whatever. And Big Poppa, on the packaging, it does say that it's a firm hold without the crunch. I don't think it's a firm hold without the crunch, but it does have glycerin and hydrolyzed keratin in it. And so maybe Big Poppa might be better in the summertime for that sense. I'll get to the protein in a second. The bananas, it says it has extreme hold, has honey, aloe vera, and silk amino acids. The honey and the aloe vera does concern me for the summertime, but for me having low density hair, I think that'll be fine. Just because in general, none of these gels were my absolute favorite, meaning I think as a fine, low density hair natural girl, what? I think that gels just weigh my hair down too much. You see, this is day 4 and I barely got any volume. I think I'm a mousse girl. I think for a wash and go for me, it's always going to be a mousse. So even though this looks good, I can't really say that like I would care for any gels going forward. All right, honey dip, she did say it's a soft to medium hold. It does have glycerin, honey, castor oil, aloe vera. This is the only one out of all of the gels that does not have protein. So if you are sensitive for protein, then I will say pick up honey dip. Big girl has honey, keratin amino acids, silk amino acids, and aloe vera juice. So she might also perform better in the summertime, which I have done before, and it's held up a lot better. The proteins, the reason why I also picked bananas as the overall winner is out of all of them, bananas is the only one that has silk amino acids. And I did some little research for y'all, okay? Of all the proteins, silk amino acids is the lightest of them all. It penetrates your hair better and it's ideal for low porosity hair, okay? It gives the, child, my dog is in here snoring. It provides softness, flexibility, and moisture. So you can use any product that has silk amino acids more frequently. And the ones that have silk amino acid is the bananas and B-girl. But B-girl has an additional protein. So one second. The second protein that you can use occasionally, which is the keratin amino acids, you can use that sparingly. You can only use that once or twice a week. Too much is not going to be beneficial for you. The one that has keratin amino acids is B-girl. So that's why I was kind of like, damn, like the B-girl has silk amino acids and keratin amino acids, and the fact that you can't use that as daily makes me concerned for if I do wash and goes daily with the B-girl custard, I'm gonna have protein overload all over again. If you haven't seen that video, wherever the thing is, check that out because protein overload is not fun at all. Big Poppa has hydrolyzed keratin, and that one is not ideal for daily use at all. It's too strong for daily use. It has a larger protein molecule, making it harder for low porosity hair to absorb. It can lead to stiff, brittle hair over time. I used this once and my hair is brittle and stiff, okay? So I'm not too crazy for it. So overall, out of all of these, bananas performed the best on my hair, and it has silk amino acids. So I feel like overall, that one was just probably best, right? Let me know which team are you. Are you team honey dip gel, Big Poppa, bananas, or B-girl? Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other battles, y'all. Look, I'm coming in strong with these battles. I got mousses, I got battle of the brands, I got all that for y'all. So make sure you check it out. Make sure you subscribe and be part of this fam. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see from me, and I definitely would do it for y'all. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.